Step into the extraordinary world of ABeam Consulting Indonesia. From our humble beginnings with just a few individuals, we have evolved into a team of 180 consultants. Our vision at ABeam Consulting Indonesia is to empower businesses with innovative strategies and technologies that drive success in a rapidly changing world. We envision a future where organizations thrive, adapt, and embrace new opportunities. To continue being a real partner to our clients under uncertainty and ambiguity, we define the perspective necessary of ABeam in light of future indications. First one is to develop, grow, and transform our clients not only by classic issue resolution but creating new values. Secondly, lead the co-creation of social values by attracting people through empathy. Lastly, challenge to establish Asian regional standard to contribute to develop Asian economy. We are driving unprecedented growth with technology and social change alignment and dedicated to deliver real people, real solutions, and real results. Now, as we enter the second stage of our growth, ABeam commit to realize Vision 2030. First, Social Transformation Accelerator is to drive social transformation through connecting companies and co-create a sustainable future for our clients. We also believe in using the aggregate power of our elite human resources to establish comprehensive capabilities with edges, hence improving the corporate value of our clients. Because we believe in the power of real people. Our diverse team of talented professionals brings together a wealth of knowledge and experience, creating a vibrant and collaborative environment through agile mindset. ABeam Consulting raise a mission to become the first choice for Asian multinational companies, being able to execute social transformation in Asia, to be world core market in near future and transform ABeam into a real global firm. Our goal is to drive real result. ABeam Consulting Indonesia strives to be the trusted partner for organizations across various industries. We understand that our success is measured by the success of our clients. Incrementally, we would like to achieve social transformation through a co-creation building ecosystem with JMNC and AMNC, proven ourselves the capability of shifting pivot from Japan to Asia and keeping up with Asian market growth speed.
Our new brand slogan of ABeam, Build Beyond as One, is our commitment to deliver exceptional results and drive growth to our clients together. With our visionary leadership and strategic guidance, I strongly believe each one of us can step up to the next level that leads to our company real growth.
We're not perfect, but we're an ambitious and dynamic company that constantly improve. We believe that the current state is just the beginning. And encourage everyone to contribute their ideas and take proactive action, embrace challenges, push beyond limits and surpass expectations. Let's embark on this journey with ABeam Consulting Indonesia. Together, we can achieve the extraordinary real results by strengthening capabilities of issue-driven consulting in existing and new domain, investing in new technology to be a value-added consulting, and creating new business model with multiple domains as value creation consulting. ABeam Consulting Indonesia commits to unlock real growth for Asia.
Our greatest strength lies in our people. Together we can overcome challenges and achieve great things.
The real people at ABeam Consulting Indonesia are passionate about delivering exceptional solutions that drive tangible business outcomes.
Our commitment to real solutions means that we go beyond surface level, providing comprehensive and sustainable strategies that drive long-term success.
At ABeam Consulting Indonesia, real solutions become the catalyst for growth, and together we can navigate complexity and deliver valuable solutions for the organization.
Our real result philosophy is embedded in everything we do, from providing data-driven insight to implementing effective strategies, with collaboration to achieve exceptional outstanding outcomes to drive sustainable growth.
And together, we can unlock our true potential and drive exceptional success.
The client satisfaction and trust in our consulting expertise were evident as a result of our significant growth in Indonesia.
Real people, real solution, real result.
Built beyond
That's what. ABeam Consulting.
consulting.